So I always got to ask this because you are the man, your future in drag racing. You know, you dabbled a little at NHRA, but is PDRA pretty much what you're going to chase and going to be your home for the rest of the year?
Yeah, I'm going to Bristol. You'll see me at Bristol. I know that's my deal with Parkway Ford, and that'll probably be it. You know, I mean, I love running over here. I love being one-on-one. If I run fast, nobody's going to tell me I got to put weight in. So I love that, and it's more professional to me, you know, to run what you can, you know, and these people treat me good, you know, and all over here, and I love NHRA to death, but I just got tired of the rule changing every time I run, good Courtney. I just got tired of that, and you just can't keep putting up with it. So I decided to roll out, and I know I've been saying every year I'm gonna retire, and that's the reason Chad went to work with Belushi this year in NHRA. You know, I was retired, and Chad knew it, and I had a little business deal fall through on selling some stuff in the shop and thing. And I said, you know, I'll just hang in there, and then, you know, we decided to run over here this year. But Courtney, I'll be 70 years old come Christmas. Had a hell of a career.
Yes.
It's time to roll out.
Well, listen, you, as always, on top your whole career, one of the coolest guys to watch this. Tricky Rickie Smith, this has been your Campfire Talk with Courtney and Rickie here at PDRA Race.